Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about the 11 steps you need to know to ace the perfect makeup. Use the primer on the areas where you have pores so that the foundation looks flawless. I'm blending the foundation with a brush so that it takes less time. I'm blending the concealer with my fingers since this is a beginner's tutorial and I don't expect beginners to have a lot of different brushes. I'm just going to pat the concealer with my ring finger since it can give the least amount of pressure. I'm also not rubbing the concealer or spreading it. Next, I'm going to set the areas where I've put concealer so that it doesn't crease. I'm also going to set my entire face using the same loose powder. For the eyeshadow, you can pick up any neutral color and put it on the eyelids. I'm just using one color on the eyelid since it's easy and also looks very nice and simple. I'm using the same color on my lower lash line so that it adds some definition to my eyes and completes the look. you don't have a contour palette, you can take any cool toned brown color from your eyeshadow palette, which will help you achieve a chiseled face. Use the highlighter to get the glow back to your face. Finish off the look with your favorite lip shade. That's it guys, this is the final look. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.